Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Daily. In this video, I will show you how to easily remove your Snapchat profile picture if you want a fresh start or a more private profile. So let's get right into it. First, open the Snapchat app and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can see your current Bitmoji or profile picture. Next, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to open your settings. This is where you can adjust all your Snapchat preferences, including your profile picture. If you have a Bitmoji set as your profile picture, scroll down to the Bitmoji section in the settings and tap on it. You will see an option to unlink my Bitmoji. Tap on that and your Bitmoji will be removed, leaving a blank silhouette as your profile picture. And that is how you easily remove your Snapchat profile picture. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.